Now let us see how to create an assembly in NXCAD. Select the new option, select assembly option and then give OK. Now open the first part and then give OK. Fix the first component. So go to the assembly constraints, select the fix option, select the geometry and then apply. Now open the second part, select the part and then give OK. Select the second part and then give OK and then apply. Now go to the assembly constraints, apply the constraints, touch a line, select this and then OK. Now go to the pattern component, select the component to pattern, specify the rotation axis and then mention 60 degree and then 6 count and then apply. In this way we can create a simple assembly in NXCAD.